There we have a VIVO Y35, and today I will show you how you can rearrange your home screen looks to give some fresh, how to make a folder and change the icon colors. So you start from the widgets, so you can add any widgets by holding your finger on the home screen and tap here widgets. Now you can add every widget what you can see, like a Google Chrome. Tap on it and choose your new widget, just hold it and leave it on the home screen. You can resize it by holding your finger again, and now you can swipe and change the size of it. Okay, so you can make a folder on this device by tapping the app icon and slide it on the other app, like this. But if you want to change the icon from the menu bar color, you have to open the settings. Now look for the lock screen and wallpaper and tap on UI color. Now you can change the color of your icons in the menu bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and goodbye.